it's been like 2 years. Yeah, it's been like 2 years without me releasing any Impoco track because being busy ngikhulisa ingcisi yami ngapha studio uyacaba futhi into zey'khuthane zidinga isikhathi zidinga isikhathi, so it's been like 2 years without releasing. So I took my time this time. I'm like, you know what, let me listen to my tracks. Okay, I did that, listen to my tracks. Hey, yeah, bafethu bayagijima, the skill is there. Lyrically, new artists, they are killing good dope, but the only problem is my producer. So our producers they are failing ama artists. Abulala ama-track wama-artist. How so? They focus kakhulu kuma cleaning the voice, ukuthi voice imele ibe clean. They are focusing too much on ngifuna ukwenza quality, and that thing is the one that kills the track again. Once waqala wafocusa kule nto leyo, i-vibe ye-track yahamba, i-beat and everything, sekumele u-adjust ama-beat, i-beat ibe limnandi, sekumele uhlise ama-volume, adjust ama-volume nani. That thing ibulala i-track. Ama-track wamanje athulile is just lyrics, akuna-skills se-producer ngaphansi. Ama-artist wazama ukwenza i-track ibe mnandi. Zonke lezo zinto ezinjalo bafethu, like Impoco is art bafethu. Nabona iy'khothane ezinjani, iy'khothane abantu abagqoka iy'mpahla ey'ningi, amakhalabhaya, ekugcineni kuphume into eyi-one ehlangene. So umuntu ushaya amakhala amaningi but uyenza i-sense. So it's the same thing nama-track now wombhoqo. You have to mix izinto ezibhaya, kumele udlale la, makumele udabule iphepha ulidabule ushabanise emayikhini, you do that thing. Leyo sound leyo izokusipanela, ask people abasipane nami bazokutshela, yabo izinto ezinjalo. That's why we have ama-track anjengabo-Godfather. Listen to that track ngaphansi, nabo mara mase iphuma izinto zakhona, i-track emnandi. Those are legendary tracks, ama-track ahlalayo forever. Abo Slimazo, abo Kasithukasi, International Impoco, all those tracks that I recorded, you understand, is because kune-art ebhaya nabo untandokazi. They will tell you abantu engirekhode nabo lezi zinto lezi, uzwa sokuyi-track, uzwa ama-ambulance, uzwa nani lezo zinto. You add those kind of things, wenza i-art inhleko, uhlanganisa yonke le nto le, but uphume with something beautiful at the end. So into esibulalayo singama-producer wombhoqo, sigijimisa i-quality too much, and quality is better than quantity. Sifuna nama-numbers. Just record the track ibe mnandi, ungabi umuntu ofuna ukuthi ngizoshaya iquality lana ngani ngoba ngiphethe abobani, that thing need one work. Ufana ne-artist wena elithi kule track ngizobulala, egcine ngimosha i-track because ufuna ukusho too much punchlines and everything.